chicken wings na hindi lamang titikman, kundi babalik-balikan.
For sure, papapakin mo talaga ito.
Papapakin mo talaga yan, so. Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Korean Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. And that is you guys. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, particularly sa Keni Wings. We're gonna be featuring this today. This is the newest store that you're gonna really try.
Yes, they are serving unlimited wings and many more. So tara, let's go!
Nano Babo Kabalen, agkatanda kayo po Keni Bayo may shop, Keni pong Keni Wings, Keni Put. We have 8 different flavors now. We have 3 new flavors, teriyaki, barbecue, and salted egg. We also have Keni Mex, taste of Mexican food. Ito kami rin Milkteas. The name of the Milkteas, Teas and That. It's actually new in the market.
Alright, so again guys, we would like to thank you for being with us. And thank you so much Keni Wings for inviting us. They serve unlimited wings.
Yes.
And not only that, so meron silang Keni Mex, mga Mexican food included sa menu nila. Particularly, so this is a fajita. There you go guys. And then quesadillas. And then another interesting drink that they have here is the mojito. So these mojitos are non-alcoholic.
Wow.
So if you want to have that booze experience without the the actual spirit, you gotta go for this apple mojito.
Virgin mojito.
And then this one is a citrus mojito. I'm gonna start with this one before we get into the meat. Wow! What a refreshing mojito. So what I took is the citrus one. Meron pa silang mga fruit juices as well as of course yung mga milk tea natin. So tingnan muna natin yung mga flavors nila in this clip. Alright, so those were their flavors po na sinerve sa atin dito. What I have is yung kanilang dark chocolate.
Yes, so ako naman syempre, yung kiwi nila.
So on our table, so meron tayong 8 flavored chicken wings.
Yes.
They have soy garlic, chili garlic, honey mustard, buttered garlic parmesan, buffalo barbecue, garlic mayo, teriyaki, and binabalik-balikan daw nila dito is yung salted egg.
Wow!
So this is the salted egg. It's a little bit sweet and salty. Plus, nandun yung amoy talaga ng salted egg.
So malalaman mo talaga
Yeah.
na authentic yung pagka-flavor niya.
Oh.
So this is their chili garlic. So as you could see, yan. So tingnan natin.
May chili talaga ito yung ano. Okay. So this is their mayo garlic. This is loaded with mayo garlic. So I'm gonna try ito yung kanilang fajita.
Ano yung quesadillas nila? Wow! As you could see, tingnan mo, full of cheese yung quesadillas nila. Oh. Yan. So at the same time, meron din siyang salsa. Wow! Sobrang cheesy niya. So as you could see, from the first bite hanggang doon sa dulo, may cheese talaga siya.
What I like about that the fajita is it's a little bit spicy, so medyo merong tinkling dun sa tang natin. Plus, it's a pure white meat chicken, so somewhat healthy.
Yes.
It is actually. Check out the feeling ng fajita natin. So as soon as you enter here, you're gonna see the parang pinaka main dining area, and then you have your second floor. You can chill a lot, more time, diba?
Sa second floor nila,
Yeah.
kung meron kayong mga small gathering for around 20 packs, pwede kayo doon.
Alright, so another dish that they allow us to taste naman is yung kanilang chicken popcorns.
For sure, papapakin mo talaga ito.
Papakin mo talaga yun. So usually you have popcorns for snacks, but this one, guys, this is chicken popcorn. It's different.
syempre, hindi naman natin papahuli yung mga burgers nila. So, for classic chicken burger, that is only 75 pesos. Pero yung sinerve nila sa atin, which has a one cooler, fries, and yung classic chicken burger nila is only 210 pesos. For only wings and only rice, so it's only 290 pesos. And if you want some coolers naman, it's only 340 pesos.
So they are available at Food Panda. Soon they're gonna be at Grab Food and then Let's Be.
So once again, Keni Wings po, Kenny Analyst. Nagkatanda kayo na takman nila rin kaya kami yung chicken wings. Chicken wings na hindi lamang titikman, kundi babalik-balikan.
Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. Of course, we're not gonna bore you. For more information, so if you wanna go here,
You could check their place sa EG Building, Kutkut, Friendship Highway. They're open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m.
so there you have it guys. They have so much, food to offer here. They claim to be home of the best chicken wings.
Wow.
Where else can you go guys? Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery,
Pizza.
stay safe.